Now we are going to learn about one of the our SQL Server data type TinyInt. TinyInt, the actual data size of TinyInt is 1 byte, and for bit also 1 byte only. But what is the difference between bit and TinyInt is bit only store 1 bit and remaining 7 bits are free, but TinyInt will occupy all 8 bits. That the TinyInt range is 0 to 255. So 0, why it is up to 255? 8 bits, 8 bits means 2 power 8, 256 values, but our value not starts with 1 but it will start with 0, so 0 to 255. So let's check with some example. What is that example? Subject. See, our in our school we have a subject like Telugu, Hindi, English. So for that I so for that we are using TinyInt. Why TinyInt? It has a range, so it can store 0 to 255 records. So whenever we use a subject column, we not it cannot be thousand value. We do not have any thousand subjects, and at the same, like for class also, we do not have any thousand classes in school, either LKG, UKG, or first standard, second standard. For marks also 0 to 100 only. We do not have 250 marks or 150 marks or 1000 marks or 1 lakh marks. So for marks column or class column, for subject column, the tiny data is the best option to choose. Let's see example here. So for that I'm creating one school subject table. In that subject the table was created. So for that school subject I have two columns: subject ID, which I am using TinyInt data type. For school subject name I am using varchar 50. We will know about this varchar in future videos. So TinyInt will support 0 to 255. Let's check the value with the 0 for subject ID. See, it is executed, means row inserted successfully. But in future or in real time we do not use most of the time 0 in any ID columns. So let's check with the maximum value 255. No, it is also inserted. Let's check with wrong values, that is not between 0 to 255. -1 is not between 0 to 255. Let's execute it. See, arithmetic overflow. Overflow means it is not between 0 to 255. -1 is less than 0, so arithmetic overflow error came. So for this example also, let's check it. See, here are the same problem, arithmetic overflow. Why 256 is more than 255? So that's why it is overflow error. That's it.